Hey everybody, this is Tammy Marshall, the Fibonacci princess that works in the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading, and I wanted to talk to you real quick about a setup that I have in AMT. AMT has been a very popular stock in our Fibonacci room, and it has had a series of pullbacks. It had a great setup zone here at 242. About 31 here. We set up, hit, triggered, and came up to here. I think we are just beyond that 786 there. And are now having a pullback. Of course, a lot of things are pulling back right now. But what I like about this setup is that we are above the 200. We were above the 50. The 5 and 13 are still on a buy mode, and we still haven't met the extension off of that previous high to low swing. Of course, we also have not met the extension of this high to low swing. Okay, so what I'm looking at now is a pullback in AMT, and I do have some symmetrical support here. And then I do also have a 786 retracement from that low to high swing. So if you're interested in getting into AMT, you still can, even though we are pretty far away from that original setup zone. Your new setup zone is going to be, let's see, 247.84 to 248.44. And of course, on the way up, I'm going to want you to please pay attention to these other extensions that we have. And the extension off of that high to low swing is going to come in at 274. You will not have any resistance in your way, but I will keep that 618 in there for you. That is only if this low is in place, of course. So your extension off of that, your target off of that high to low swing is going to be 274. You also have a target of this high to low swing coming in at 280. And then you have that larger swing target coming in at 281.55. Now, because that 1618 of this smaller swing correlates with those other two extensions, I'm going to go ahead and also put a setup zone in there that would actually, because it's 3 Fibonacci price relationships, could be a sell setup zone if we get up there and you get a sell trigger. Now, let's remember, those 3 Fibonacci numbers are only going to be together if this low is in place, okay? And that lower target right there of 280 is only going to be in place if this, this low is in place. That low and that low are the ones we are looking at. All right, everybody, that is your setup in AMT. Please look for triggers. Let me see if it has triggered on a 5-minute chart yet. Not quite yet. So I would wait for at least a 5-minute trigger before you try to swing trade on that. Probably is triggered on a 1-minute chart, which is good for a day trade tomorrow. All right, everybody. Hope you have a wonderful evening, and we will talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.